Infographic: Horse Owner's Guide to Choosing the Omeprazole Product. We are often asked by concerned horse owners which is the best form of omeprazole treatment for their situation. With our step-by-step guide, Abler will assist you in making the right choice for your horse's condition and your budget. Let's go through each step. Firstly, is your horse showing the classic ulcer symptoms? Girthy, difficult to handle, poor performance, and just not himself? Has your horse recently been trailered, undergone intense training, or had a change of diet and feed? Diagnosing the ulcer. There are two options. 1. Undergo an expensive endoscope, or 2. Simply treat with the approved active ingredient omeprazole. Moving on. How to choose what is best for your horse. At Abler, we offer omeprazole for ulcers in 3 unique forms: paste, tablets, or granules. You also need to consider if your horse is off or on his feed. Off feed, choose paste or tablets. On feed, choose either paste, tablets, or granules. The next step is to determine the quantity required and the regime, treatment, or a preventative dose. All horses are unique, and you know your horse best and which form of administration will best suit your horse. At Abler, we offer the horse owner an affordable solution to treat equine gastric ulcers together with worldwide shipping.